Hey, what's up? This is Carol and welcome back to Untitled Chapter.
Hey y'all, welcome back to yet another client makeup transformation video. And on today's video, like you heard, I'm doing makeup on my friend and also a long-time client, Carol. She's a music artist. Go check out her YouTube channel so that you can listen to some of her music. So what I'm starting off is by doing her eyebrows, and this is a Canvas Cosmetics new concealer, Multitasker concealer. I didn't actually use that. I'm sorry for showing you the wrong shade. I used number 4 to define the brows, and for drawing the brows I used the Davis pencil that's in the shade 18. And what I'm doing is I'm using a flat brush to just define the brows using the concealer, and then that front part I used her foundation shade to define that front part of the brows, and also use her foundation shade to define the upper part of her brows as well. And just when I do this, I normally take not like take my time, but I try to be very careful by doing it, because you do not want to mess the brows, and you don't have all the time to like stay here doing one client. So you have to like just take your time while doing it, but just do it perfectly. So what I'm doing is blending out the excess product onto her skin, and I'm using a fluffy brush to do that. And then I went in with the same concealer shade, the lighter shade number 4, to put that on her eyelids as a it's gonna act as a base or a canvas for my eyeshadow. And when I tell you this product is full coverage and so creamy, guys, you should get these concealers. Like, I mean, they're just so rich and so well formulated. I just love these concealers. And also the brand is a Kenyan brand, so you can just go to their website and order the products, and they're gonna deliver the products to you. And I'm also going in with the same brand palette from the same brand. That's a Glambition palette, and I'm using the brown shades from the palette. That's 6 AM and the Espresso. And I also use the canvas, which is a white shade, to highlight or make the eye pop on the inner corners of her eyes. I'm going for a subtle nude look for this look, and we were actually going for 2 looks, because she was doing a shoot, and the first look we were going for a subtle look, very nude look, and then for the second look we did a different type of look that I didn't get to film because my phone battery died off, and I just couldn't film the second look. But the last look was a smoky eye. I'm gonna insert the photos at the end. I think I'm gonna do that, yeah, so that you can see the second look. So this is how the subtle look was coming along. Like, you can see, like, I just loved how it made her eyes just pop out, and I don't know, I just feel like it's because of also her skin tone that the look just came out so nicely. I don't know, or it's my skill. That too could also be the reason why the look just came out so nicely. And so I'm just giving a pat on my shoulder, guys, because look at this look. This is just so amazing. Like, it just looks so nicely done. So what I'm doing is putting on a highlight. I'm putting on eyeliner on her eyelids, and then we went on to put on lashes. And I normally let my clients choose the type of lashes they want to wear, because most clients are most clients don't like dramatic lashes. So I just give someone the lashes so that I can choose what they like, and then after that I just go ahead and just put them on them. And you can see how she was enjoying the lashes. Like, she's just feeling the difference between the eye that had the lashes and the one that did not have the lashes. Also, I like putting on lashes on clients with long nails, and I just have short nails, and it's always quite difficult to do it with short nails. I don't know, it's just me. And then I'm going in with a Maybelline Face Studio Prime. That's the hydrating primer for as a primer for the day, to now go and work on her skin. I just massage the primer on her face, and then I use these two foundations for to get her perfect shade. I mixed the two of them. The glass bottle is a shade number 335 and the tube one is 356, so I mixed the two shades together and just went ahead to apply the foundation on her. And I normally use a concealer brush first to just put on the concealer on the client's face to just make sure I don't go in with a lot of product, and then afterwards if I need to add concealer, I mean the foundation, after I've blended it out, I go ahead and do that, as opposed to just going in with a lot of product and then it becomes hectic blending out. So this is something I would recommend if you're a beginner makeup artist and you're watching this. Also, if you're a beginner and you're just trying to work to apply foundation on yourself as well, this is a technique I would recommend. So I'm going in with this Multitasker concealer, and now this is the shade I was talking about that I use for her eyebrows. That's the shade number 4, and I use that to highlight her face. I'm doing that on highlighting her under eyes. I'm gonna do that on her forehead, the bridge of the nose, and also below her nose as well, so that we can make her face and those high points of her face just pop out nicely. And I use the beauty blender to blend out the concealer, as you can see. And guys, like I've said, I love this concealer. Just look at how rich this concealer is. Like, it just blended out so nicely and just sits on the skin so nicely. Guys, if you're not gonna like if you're gonna pick something from this video today, just go ahead and go and purchase this product, guys. You're gonna love this product. And then I went ahead and set the concealer using Maybelline Master Fix loose setting powder, I think. Okay, I can't remember the exact name. Yeah, but that is it. It's a translucent powder. I went ahead and set the places that I highlighted, and now I'm just warming her cheeks up using that bronzer from Makeup Academy. We were not gonna contour because contouring would have made it would have taken quite some time, and we were working with limited time. So this is what I do to just create an illusion that I have contoured someone's face by just using a bronzer on her. And then I went ahead and highlighted her face, and I used the Makeup Academy Undress Your Skin highlight. It's a very nice highlight, and it's quite it's not subtle as such, but it's a very nice, like, it's such a nice highlight to use on a client and even yourself on days when you just want to pop out. And because this was a photo shoot, I just wanted that glow to pop out on the camera. Next, I went ahead and just put on a lipstick on her, because we're doing a nude look, so I paired it with a nude lip, and I created an ombre lip using a brow pencil. That's the shade number 18, and I used Joanna K's lipstick that's in the shade Innocent, which is a peachy nude lipstick. So I used that to create an ombre lip, as you can see. And then I just used my concealer brush to just clean out the edges, to just make the lips look a bit cleaned out and sculptured. And then I went ahead and added on some gloss, because she wanted a gloss lip for this certain look. So that is what we did. And next I went in with what am I saying? I went with Maybelline setting spray to just seal in all the product. And this is the final look, guys. I'm sorry it looks so overexposed on the camera. I don't know why. I think the lighting was so bad, but I can assure you this look was just bomb. I'm gonna insert the photos after this so you can see the other look as well. So these are the final look, guys. I hope you love them, and Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and also leave a comment for me in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, kindly go ahead and do subscribe. And until my next one, guys, I love you all and keep staying safe. Bye.